Hello, word fans, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to be diving into the wonderful world of vocabulary with you today. Our word of the day is cold. It's an A1 level noun, meaning illness or low temperature. So, what exactly does cold mean? Well, in the context of illness, a cold is a common viral infection that affects your nose and throat. You might have a runny nose, a cough, or a sore throat. For example, I have a terrible cold and can't stop sneezing. Now, let's look at cold when referring to temperature. It describes something having a low degree of heat. Think of ice, a winter day, or even a cold drink. The weather is incredibly cold today, so bundle up. Let's explore some synonyms. If we're talking about the illness, a similar word would be flu. She's got the flu and is staying home from work. Another synonym related to the feeling of being unwell is illness. The doctor confirmed it was just a common illness. If we're talking about temperature, synonyms for cold include chilly. It's a bit chilly in here. Can we turn up the heat? We also have freezing. The water was absolutely freezing. Another synonym related to temperature is frosty. The morning air was frosty and crisp. Now, let's look at the antonyms. When cold refers to an illness, feeling healthy is the opposite. So, we could use healthy. I'm feeling healthy after a good night's sleep. Another antonym is well. She's well now and back at school. When referring to temperature, antonyms for cold include hot. The soup is hot. Be careful not to burn yourself. Another antonym is warm. The sun felt warm on my skin. We can also use boiling. The water is boiling, ready for the tea. Now, let's explore how we use cold in everyday life. You might say, I think I'm catching a cold, when you feel the first signs of illness. Or, it's cold outside, so remember your coat, when reminding someone to dress warmly. We also use cold in expressions. For example, he gave me the cold shoulder, meaning he ignored me. Or, she has cold feet, meaning she's nervous about something like getting married. Other sentences could be, please keep the juice cold in the fridge. Another example could be, the cold wind made my eyes water. Or, the patient had a nasty cold. Here are a few more example sentences. He has a really bad cold that has been going on for a while. Another example is, the cold weather is perfect for skiing. One more, the ice cream is very cold. Drink this to treat your cold. She felt a chill because it was cold in the room. I wrapped myself in a blanket because the room was cold. She shivered because she was cold. So, to recap, cold is an A1 level noun with two main meanings, an illness and a low temperature. We explored synonyms like flu, chilly, and freezing, and antonyms like healthy, hot, and warm. We also looked at how cold is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word cold. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and it means the world to me. As a final thought, please leave a comment below with your own sentence using the word cold. I can't wait to read them. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye.